what's going on inside here. So today we are going to talk about opt-in page and how to design that. So we know opt-in page is one of the most important page you can use to build your list. So how do we actually design that, right? So there are a few key elements you need in place in order to make it high converting. And the key here is you want to keep it simple, stupid, right? There are some people, they will try to make their opt-in page super complicated or too beautiful, right? It's actually will damage your conversion rate. So a great opt-in page is simple, stupid. It's not beautiful. It's just like really blank page, right? So how do we design that? So this is an opt-in page. The most important part of the entire page is your headline. So you want to talk about what's in it for them, and you want to get them feel curious about your content, about the free report, right? So you want to talk about what's in it for them after getting the report, and you want to trigger their curiosity in the headline. Then you can have some like bullet point. You can list something that you think they also feel interested, what's in it for them, right? Then you can have the input button here. Then you can have a button here, right? So they can leave their email address here. And then they can click on the button. And one of the key here is you really want to make the button so obvious. Sometimes you will feel ugly, right? So you want to make sure by the time they get into this page, they can notice the button right away. They don't have to scroll down in order to click on the button. And also you want to check the mobile version. So sometimes, even though it looks fine on desktop, if they go to mobile, they cannot see the button. So you want to make sure it's still on the top of your entire layout so people can easily click on the button, right? And another one is you want to remove all the noise on the page. So what do I mean by that, right? So some people, they will want to add more content, maybe testimonial, or sometimes more Q&A here, or sometimes some link to the other pages. They're all noise, right? So stop doing that. Try to remove all the noise from the page. There's only one direction for your audience, that is sign up, right? So they cannot scroll down, they cannot go to other pages, they're all noises, right? So you want to make sure your design is simple, stupid. And you can even make this button so ugly that people will pay attention to that right away the first time they see this page, right? So that's how you can design your opt-in page. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.